First of all, I want to thank every one of you for helping Sanskriti reach our 700th video today. I'm Lalia and I'll be displaying today another hand-woven sari collection of Tussar Georgettes, raw silks and Gadwal saris. Nothing can beat the beauty of handloom saris. So these are Meena woven pure Tussar Georgettes, Banarasi handloom saris in rich jal weave and a contrast blouse piece. So all these are stunning weaves, and Tussar Georgettes are such a fabric where you have the fall of a georgette and the matte finish of the tussar. So combined together, it gives a very rich fabric and it's loved by all. It's very rich weave, and when it comes to this kind of exclusive Meena jal, fir kya baat. So this is the first one, number one. In jal weave, in this weave, we have two other jal Meena option, which is the cement grey color. And the best part of this is the Meena combination. Just see how lovely the lilac color, the sea green color, the firoza color has been interwoven so beautifully through with the zari, and it is giving such a gorgeous, glamorous look. And the blouse piece, as usual, comes with this border. Made in India with love. The third option is this fuchsia onion pink shade. Pretty, isn't it? So for all the handloom lovers who like their saris to be in earthy tones, so I've given them option, as well as those who like a little bit of brighter tone, they also have the option of this fuchsia. And look at the blouse piece, it's been displayed in the hanger. It's beautiful, isn't it? So check out these saris of pure Tussar Georgettes. I'll be showing you more options in this. So this is without the Meena. Many of you want a corporate look type saris in this Tussar Georgette. I mean corporate wear I mean to say that, you know, there are corporate parties and all for formal occasions. There you can wear these saris because these are in solid colors. And can you see something unique in this? Yes, there are two color zari. If you see the video, you can see this Sona Rupa zari in the border as well as the buttas. Something unique, something alag. Sanskriti Kolkata always comes up with unique collection, different collection and variety. Now, as I said, we have this lovely pop-in color. Now, many of you ask me what is pop-in. Now, there are many type of, color that many people say this and that. This pop-in is in between a navy blue and navy or a midnight blue. You can say a Prussian blue and a purple. In between shade. It's a very unique shade, and it looks very good with this kind of a gold zari. It's neither purple, neither navy blue. So in between it comes a very nice pop-in type shade. Number 3. So this is sometimes the pop-in color comes more next to the purple tone, sometimes more close to the navy color. Like this is more close to a navy color. This is another stunning piece, the red. With a contrast mustard yellow blouse piece. This is ideal for the bridal occasion. Lovely buttas, small buttas and rich border. Rose gold type zari, beautiful. They look so gorgeous. And small buttas along with a smaller butta. So the process of booking, first come first serve. Only once you are making the payment, we'll confirm your booking. In between, I have to stop and say something about this Tussar Georgette, but in tie and dye. See, in between the weave, which is going so beautifully in a wave pattern, there in between every line there are 3 shades. One is the chutney green shade, one is the brownish tone, and one is the fuchsia tone. So 3 shades of colors input in the pattern weave. So this is the blouse piece. Very pretty color combination, little earthy tone yet gorgeous. According to the weave, we've kept the price. These are new collection totally for the Tussar Georgette. Now you love the new color combinations also. This is another stunning classy piece. Very my type sarees. I always love these vintage type looking sarees. This is the blouse piece. This is truly a super stunning saree, very rare, one of a kind, neighbor's envy, owner's pride. Now I'll tell you in details about the saree. First of all, check out the buttas. And then in between every pattern there is a self print that is done. Colors are very subtle, muted colors. An absolute stunning piece. Moving on to a richer tone. The smoky burgundy color. So every saree I'll open and display so that you will have no confusion. Every product before shipping we check and complete polish. Everything is done before shipping. So give us few days time to dispatch, because we do not just randomly fold and send it. We check the sarees, we check your payment, whether the payment has been received. We pack them properly, and then the courier service guy comes to pick up in the evening. So just give us 2 to 3 days time to ship, and then shipping time is extra. Huh? Just keep in mind 7 to 10 days. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बता रहे हैं हम, लेकिन वो पकड़ कर चलिए. Blouse tailoring option is also available in both the branches. So we have the tailoring unit for you. If you want your blouses to be stitched or any other additional services, if possible, we will definitely do it. Another stunning, unique shade. This is just superb color combination. Now, if you see, there are 3 colored chart. One is the natural virgin tussar color. Then comes a light ash, silverish ash color, and then comes a beige type color. This is what a stunning piece. Sarees that remain for a lifetime. Actually, these never, if you maintain properly, which is sometimes polish and sometimes dry clean. That's it. No other this thing. But don't use direct perfume on the zari. Which is common. Those who wear handloom sarees and good zari sarees, they know, because these are pure hand woven product, and none of the it's not advisable to put zari in the perfume in the zari. Otherwise, this is such a gorgeous piece. The fabrics are excellent. You will love the fabric. And here is a brushing done in zigzag pattern, another superb color combination in tones of sea green, mint green type color. Every piece comes with a matching blouse piece. After payment, we'll confirm your booking. Cash on delivery in Kolkata only. Outside Kolkata via courier. Courier charges you need to pay. And internationally, we ship regularly. Sundays, we are closed. Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. For video calls, 11 a.m. in the morning to 7 p.m. in the evening. Now, I move on to raw silks. Again, on our 700th episode, which is not bad, 700 videos of 35 to 40 sarees, suits, jewelries. My God, long journey, and with your support and good wishes, we managed. So hope to continue the videos with your love, and do stay with us. Your critical comments, your feedback, your support is highly appreciated and really honored and humbled. So this is in raw silk. Can you see the shading? How lovely deep to light the pattern has gone in between. थोड़ा सा हल्का color use हुआ है और ये पूरा थोड़ा ये brush करके ये color dye हुआ है, and the buttas have red meena with blouse piece. The blouse piece comes with the border. So those who are regular to our page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube and Insta page, check out our short videos and reels. We work very hard on our reels and short videos. Short videos I usually do on budget friendly sarees. Mostly within 4,000 sarees you will get there, rupees 4,000. So you can check out the videos for gifting purpose, regular wear purpose. Even they are very smart and good quality sarees, so you can have a look. This is another raw silk. Again, pop-in type color, dark navy pop-in color with a contrast blouse piece. Borderless raw silk. Meena Butta in red. Color is maroon with red meena. Borderless and contrast zari woven rich blouse piece. Since the sari is borderless, we have given a very gorgeous blouse piece to give it a festive look. Saris का quality आप जो रेगुलर यूज कर रहे हैं वो रिटर्न they are buying regularly, returning customers, which says that they are happy with our product. We have many mostly returning customers who've been buying from us over the past 25-30 years since we started. We still have our very old clients where we started in Jamil Lane branch. It was basic interaction. Even today, after 30 years almost of Sanskriti, I'm still in touch personally with all my clients, which is why even after whole day work, I'm still on WhatsApp answering your queries when the shop is closed, when my staffs have gone back home, they are done for the day. I'm still there with you, answering all your queries, and maybe my answers are very short and to the point, but don't take it otherwise. It's just because in every minute I'm answering many replies at one time. No, I mean, I don't want to, I wish I could be more courteous and start with a nice introduction, but I just want, it's very to the point replies, but apologies for that. But you will get the answer, that's the thing. You'll get your query solved. Borderless Meena Butta raw silk with contrast blouse piece. Very pretty colors. You know, these are all just have come new stock. So I'm showing all the available colors in borderless sarees. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जिसको थोड़ा short height भी है, उसको भी ये साड़ी बहुत ही पसंद आता है. And you can wear it not only for occasion, you can wear it, those who like good silk, you can wear it for small gatherings also. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है. This is a lovely buta, very new buta. The color is an aqua grey, slate type color. It's a very pretty saree. Beautiful, isn't it? So many color options I'm giving you. Onion pink tone, bluish tone, greyish tone, green. So all these are lovely new colors, new collection. Pretty colors and lovely combinations. So hope you like the raw silk collection. Now I'll move on to the Gadwal collection. Pure silk. Today basically I'll show all silk Gadwals. Rich color in yellow. Beautiful shade. You can wear this for Gai Holu. Then big pallu turning border. Hand woven sari with a buta blouse piece. What a beauty. What a combination. Absolutely amazing. I'll take a bit of time to show the videos properly. Very, very beautiful sari. And if you see the reverse side, these are all hand woven, handloom saris. 100% silk, body and border. Zari is gorgeous in gold zari. And here is the beautiful, thoda broad border hai, lower border, and it's so gorgeous. Especially when you have the buta blouse piece. Once again, the big pallu for you. All the prices are clearly mentioned. So no confusion. First come, first serve basis. Send the screenshot of your payment after you do it, and your name, address, telephone number to ship, or if you are picking up from the store, well and good. Check silk Gadwal. Check silk Gadwal Meena Buta. These Gadwals comes in small folds. You know, it's folded आता है, वैसा ही आपको पास जाएगा, folded तरह. This is the pallu, and here is the blouse piece. Very gorgeous. And this is, you know, especially when your daughter's or son's marriage, the mother-in-law, the mother can wear it. It's so traditional combination. Off-white with gold and dark wine type maroon color border. Stunning piece. And now we have the color of the season. Suddenly orange is so much in, and especially not the loud orange. This kind of a very pretty orange. And with a dual tone wine blouse piece and border with buta border. What a unique border this is. Buta border. This is so beautiful, and dual tone border. And here is the pallu. Superb color combination. The pricing of silk gadwal depends on hand woven or power loom woven. Pure silk can also be woven in power loom. गदवाल साड़ीज में इसका बहुत फर्क आता है. मैं जब पहला ये गदवाल मतलब शुरू किया था, तब मुझे इतना फर्क आ रहा था कि मेरा साड़ी में someone was selling that this is less price, but then I understood you get pure silk power loom, pure silk hand looms. What I am showing today are all 100% hand woven pure pattus. And you, who will receive, you can understand the count of the sari, thread count. ये छोटा छोटा चीज बहुत hand woven साड़ी में ये छोटा छोटा चीज makes a lot of difference. फिर another difference is when there is turning border, when there is butta in the blouse, ये butta in the body, ये छोटा छोटा चीज के लिए फर्क हो जाता है प्राइस में. This is a without zari gadwal and I love it. I'm wearing one myself. No zari pure gadwal handloom sari. Rich coffee, the color is just amazing color. See what you're seeing, this is all resham woven. The buttas, the temple border, it's so beautiful. Very classy piece. No zari gadwal. If you see the reverse side, you understand this is totally a woven sari, hand woven sari rather, to be specific, with the blouse piece. Ganga Jamuna border, silk gadwal. What a beauty! बस पहनिए और फोटो खींचिए और मुझे भेजिए. पहले तो ये पर्पल का रिचनेस ही कुछ अलग ही है, और उसके साथ साथ ये मैंगो येलो कलर जो बॉर्डर है ऊपर का, इट्स सो फेस्टिव एंड सो, आई मीन इट्स अ बहुत पायस कलर, शुभ कलर बोला जाता है इसको. बॉडी में मीना का जो बूटा है, थोड़ा बूटा में भी ध्यान दीजिए, कितना सुंदर इसका बूटा का पैटर्न, और बीच में छोटा छोटा पर्पल का दाना है. बॉर्डर वीविंग टर्निंग बॉर्डर, इसमें पैटर्न है, टेम्पल बॉर्डर भी है, और अगेन द पल्लू. गंगा जमुना बॉर्डर इन अनदर striking combination. Additionally, you are getting silver zari in this. आज का गदवाल, आई एम श्योर यू विल लव इट एंड आई होप एक भी ना बचे, सब आपके घर में जाए, उसका सही घर उसको मिले. सुंदर है ना? सो 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 प्रिटी. बहुत ज्यादा ही सुंदर है ना? पसंद आए तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और कमेंट कीजिएगा, थोड़ा शेयर कीजिएगा वीडियो. और ओह वाओ, लुक एट द बूटा, सिल्वर जरी बूटा एंड मीना बूटा रेशम का. बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है, बहुत सुंदर. अब आई शो यू अनदर नो जरी बॉर्डर साड़ी लाइक आई एम वेयरिंग. नो जरी, कितना सुंदर इसका बॉर्डर है. जरी नहीं है लेकिन कलर कॉम्बिनेशन देखिए, इतना सुंदर इसका डुअल टोन बॉर्डर है, साड़ी का कलर है, विथ बूटा ब्लाउज पीस. Superb piece, sea green with mustard yellow and pink resham meena no zari, stunning border pallu. नो zari में मेरा साड़ी भी हम थोड़ा सा दिखा दे रहे हैं. देखिए इसमें मीना बूटा है जो थोड़ा सा पीकॉक मोटिव में है, स्ट्राइप पे एक वीविंग है, पीकॉक मोटिव का बूटा है। टेम्पल ट्रेडिशनल रेशम, सिल्क रेशम, कितना सुंदर इसका रिचनेस है बॉर्डर का। और ब्लाउज प्राइस है इसका 17,500. 17,500 comes with the blouse piece and the neck piece that I'm wearing, the South Indian look with green stone setting. 3990, 3,990 rupees. I think this was the Deepika Padukone type pattern, isn't it? The neck piece, वो क्या था, वो थंगाबली या क्या था, वो वाला मूवी का शायद होगा. So it's I think that type of design, isn't it? So this is the earring and this is the neck piece. 3,990 is the set. Another temple, this is also so pretty. Wow, so different है ना. आज का गदवाल थोड़ा सा gorgeous look, sober look, regular. This is so beautiful with the temple border, no zari and buta in resham and pallu. This is another striking piece, striking one. Just see the pallu, green and deep red combination का है, लेकिन बहुत अलग है. अब थोड़ा सा ऐसे खोल के दिखाते हैं. See the weave. हर साड़ी का invoice, proper bill आपका पार्सल में जाएगा. उसमें हमारा GST नंबर, एड्रेस, लैंडलाइन नंबर सब मेंशन रहेगा. आपका पेमेंट डिटेल सब मेंशन रहेगा. नो जरी, तो आज थोड़ा ज्यादा नो जरी हम भी पहना, बहुत सुंदर आया है ये स्टॉक नो जरी का. इसमें मस्टर्ड बॉर्डर है टेम्पल के साथ और ये वाला बूटा. इसका कलर जो है ना गंगा जल टाइप कलर, वेरी प्रिटी शेड, गार्लिक स्किन टाइप कलर. बहुत सोबर, बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है ये. इफ यू हैव wedding in the family, you can wear it for a haldi occasion. This is very, very pretty. I'm sure you are loving today's Gadwal video. Look at the weaving in the sari, pallu, border. इसमें जो gap border है ना, what is gap border? दो border में weaving है और बीच में flat silk है. So it's a gap border. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है. And this traditional combination of white and red with temple woven border, क्या बात. कोई भी mother in law पहन कर जाइए, or the bride or the any of the sisters, মাসি, পিসি সবাই পরো, মানে এই শাড়ির কম্বিনেশনের আর কোনো তুলনা হবে না. Before it was mainly a Bengali combination, but now this combination has been appreciated and in demand in all festivals. See the pallu, isn't it beautiful? ভীষণ সুন্দর. Now quickly, today I'm taking a lot of time to explain about the colors. Actually the sarees are so gorgeous. We are not doing justice just telling 2-3 1-2 minutes on each Look at this brocade gadwal. It's so beautiful in a beige type, dark beige type gray color with Meena Bhuta in the blouse. Brocade gadwal. Upper border red and lower border black. Gold zari. It has a full gold look. Rich silks. ये सब you wear them for shadi and all, for any occasion, your anniversaries, you will stand out. And they are comfortable to wear because these are pure. This golden yellow with rich maroon color. Look at the combination. No black, so you can wear it for the border that you're seeing, selvage border. It's greenish tone, it's not black, so it's beautiful, isn't it? And here is the blouse piece. Heritage sarees by weavers. This is so beautiful. Here also इसमें एक ना गोल्ड बूटा है और जो लाइंस आप देख रहे हो ये सिल्वर का है और ये लाउडिश व्हाइटिश सिल्वर नहीं है, थोड़ा सटल सिल्वर है. So it's giving a much more richer look. And now the gold again. That was a base color, was more of chiku. This is gold. Absolutely mesmerizing pieces. ना सुंदर है इसका. देखिए अपर बॉर्डर थोड़ा सा नैरो है, लोअर बॉर्डर रेड का थोड़ा ज्यादा ब्रॉड है और बूटा है पूरा ब्लाउज में. आज जो मैंने दिखाया सब नॉट सीको, ऑल प्योर सिल्क एंड ब्रोकेड गदवाल्स. इसका बॉर्डर सिल्क में है, प्योर सिल्क, बॉडी ब्रोकेड, सिल्क के ऊपर ब्रोकेड वीव. Before I end the video, I just want to show the reverse side of the sari. So hope you like the video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also watch out our videos in Facebook page. Thank you so much.